The power of baking soda and vinegar. Yesterday I tried to wipe the stain on my glass stovetop burner, but it seems like still there. I couldn't seem to clean it. So today I used baking soda and vinegar. Less than 5 minutes. Soak it for a few minutes and then scrub it off with a soft sponge, and then voila, gone. The stain's gone. That's the trick. Baking soda and vinegar. It's so easy to clean it with baking soda and vinegar. You can see the difference now. Yesterday I had a hard time. Just baking soda and vinegar. You can even see it now. See? It's gone. Wow. Amazing! Ta-da! Look how clean. Baking soda and vinegar magic.